Namaste, welcome back to Yogisha channel. Today we are going to see how to do the Bhujangasana. It is a very simple posture. It is a back bend, okay, or a prawn posture. Many people when they start with Bhujangasana, they create problem like in the shoulders they get a pain, or the lower back, or the upper back, or the mid back they get a pain, or sometimes even the neck. It is all because of the stiffness which they have. Now, how to do? Now, is it possible for them to do the Bhujangasana properly? There are ways and means to do Bhujangasana very slowly, because normally what happens is, your body, our body is slightly bent forward. Okay, we don't bend backward normally. This is not our way of life. We always, bend forward and do things when you sit in the computer or anything. So now we have to bend backward. It is a must. We have to do it. Otherwise, we'll become kyphotic when we grow old. So how to do this properly? Now before that, I just want to share with you about the benefits of this Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana is called as a cobra posture. Cobra. Now it is a shoulder and a chest opener. It opens your chest and shoulder, and it tones your abdomen. So it is a backward bend of the spine. As I told you, like, we don't bend backward, we always bend forward. So we have to bend backward to recreate that back bend for the spine, and it tones your gluteals. Normally, we have a if you don't do any proper exercise, we create a big butt. Okay, our gluteals become very soft, spongy and bulky, so we have to reduce that. Now it reduces the double chin. It is because of the aging. Okay, we create a double chin normally, so it is very good for the double chin, and it is very useful for the posture correction. Disc bulge. Many of us have this disc bulge, and L3, L4, L5, compression of the spine at the L3, L4, L5. Okay, so that leads to lumbar pain, and it is good for diabetes. It tones your abdominal organs, gastritis, and it is good for the thyroid. Let us see how to do the Bhujangasana. Right. Now, since it is a prone posture, we have to just lie down on the floor, and immediately we should not start. Now, what we have to do is keep your hands straight for some time. Give the body a message that you are doing a back bend. Normally, the body bends forward. Okay, maybe some 2 or 3 minutes. You can just lie down here, or keep your hands on the floor, and then start. Keep your hands up, that is, keep your hands outside the mat. Don't think that your border closes here. Okay, your border is outside also. Okay, so keep your hands, because what happens is, if you keep your hands on the floor, on the mat, you are going to squish your neck. See, what happens is, this is what happens. Look at the way the neck is doing. Okay, the neck is getting compressed, so you will not feel very comfortable. See. Okay, so you keep your hands slightly outside the mat. And where do you keep your hand? Either you keep your hand in the shoulder level or chest level, or you can keep your hand little above also. When you keep your hands upward, what happens is, the stretch is less, so you will feel very comfortable. If you keep your hands down, the stretch is more, you will not feel very comfortable in the beginning stage. So you have to find out which is the right position for yourself. Keep your hand. Okay. So the best thing is, you can keep it your face level also. See that. Now start from here. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. This is the right posture. Very simple. Doesn't make much of bend at the back or stretch. You will feel very comfortable. If you are still not feeling comfortable, now what you can do is bring your hands down. And one more thing which I want to tell you is keep your hands symmetrical. It should be in the same line. Now see, now this is very comfortable for me. Now I want to increase the stretch. This stretch is not enough for me. Now what I have to do, just keep my hands down a little bit. Push it down and look straight, look straight, look straight. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Now this is perfect for me. So which is perfect for you? We do not know. So you have to do it. It is customized. Now if I want to stretch more, now go back a little bit. Come on, see that now. So it is like a cobra. Still I want to make it little close. See, this is like cobra or a upward facing dog. A preparation for the upward facing dog. Okay, what happens is only my knees are touching, even my part of the thighs are up. It is not closer to the mat. My hands are straight completely. This is one way of doing it. Please go through the video again and again before starting this. See this. Now my hands are bent. Okay. So these are the various places where you can have the cobra. Many people have problem with the cobra. Right. Now if you don't want to do any of this, still you have problem. If you have pain, now what to do? Now you can start with the Sphinx pose. Now what to do the Sphinx pose? See, hands. So where do you keep your hands? You cannot just keep your hand in a random place like this. Now where you have to keep your hand? Okay, your shoulder should be just above your elbow. You see that here? It should be here. It cannot be here like this. So if you keep it here, now what is the Sphinx pose? I will show you. See, now I am keeping my hands down. Okay, as I told you. Now raise up. More support for the body, upper body. Even if I am very heavy or very tight, less flexible, then more support for the body. Now in the cobra, very less support. You see that? The base is very less. Only my hands, only my palms. Now here, my whole of the hands are down on the floor. So better support. So I am very comfortable. Okay, elderly persons, you can start here with this. This is better pose. Okay, down. Now, if you want to make more stretch, that's all. You cannot go beyond that. Okay, so this is the only to this much you can raise. You cannot raise it like this. This is different and this is different. Okay, so this is the cobra pose and I have told you the benefits, and please comment and like and share so that more people will be benefited. Please subscribe to this channel also. Thank you very much.